Good morning. Today we're going to unbox the Ultra Power UP-S4AC. This is the third in my favorite series of chargers from Ultra Power. Let's open it. So we have a user manual as usual. Power cable, and the charger itself. Just like the Ultra Power UP-S4AC, it is bigger because the power supply is already built in. So you simply plug it to the outlet of 100 to 240 volts, and then you can start charging. But it also has a XT60 connector so that you can charge it on the field with a 2 to 4S battery, so that's 7 to 17 volts. There are two buttons, the select and the setting. Here we have the charging ports. So there's MCPX or JST-PH, JST RCY, MX or Molex Pico Blade, Micro Lossy, XH, which is a balance connector type plug, in this case for 2S, and SM. I'm not exactly sure what SM is, but if you know, please leave a comment below. So we have two sets of ports here. You can only use one port from each set at a time. So we have two sets here and another two sets at the back, for a total of 4 batteries charging at the same time. So this is going to be very useful for charging 2S batteries like the ones in your goggles, and of course the batteries for 2S whoops. Let's plug it in and see it in action. The select button selects the setting that you want to change. So we can change the current by pressing the setting button. And press and hold to save. You can change the battery type for all ports, from lithium polymer to lithium high voltage or nickel metal hydride. Or you can change it port by port. And that's it for the operation. So just like the Ultra Power UP-S6 and the UP-S6AC, this is a charger that can be used both inside and out on the field. You lose 2 ports, but you gain the benefit of 2S charging. I hope you find this charger interesting just like I do, and thank you for watching.